What's going on, guys? Bruh, I got another video for you dudes, and bruh, I don't even know if y'all can hear me or not, but hopefully y'all can hear me. I hope my car is not too loud enough. Or maybe too loud. Yeah, I hope it's not too loud. Anyways, check this out. I keep looking because I'm not used to people, watching me, while I'm trying to video and all that, just like, what is he doing, bro? Is that dude? What? Is that boy? Is he talking to himself? Stuff like that. But anyways, we get down to business. I want to show you guys how to program, one of these right here, or one of these. Either way, it don't matter. You feel me? Well, it kind of does matter. Just make sure you got like these 4 buttons right here. You can get it off American Muscle, your local auto parts store, anything like that. But I'm gonna show you guys how to program it, okay? And even if you ain't got one programmed to your car, you can still program it. This is for like 1999 to 2004 year model Mustangs. This can work for the V6s, the GTs, no matter what kind of Mustang you got. As long as you got the 1999 to 2004, this will work for your car. If it doesn't, you got other issues, and hopefully, you can leave in the comments, the issues, because I am a certified mechanic, so I can kind of help you guys with that problem. So, first thing you want to do, grab your initial key for your car. Disregard what I just tried to say. Grab the key for your car that you use to start it. Put that in the ignition, okay? Once you put that in the ignition, cycle your key on and off 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And once you cycle it that many times, you should hear your door lock switches, go up and down like what you just heard. So once that happens, you can click one of the buttons. I usually click the lock. The lock or unlock, you click one of those. But while you're doing this, you cannot wait longer than a couple of seconds, or you have to redo it. So I'm gonna have to redo it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna hit that lock button. You heard that? And I hit the unlock. So I'm gonna hit the other one. Lock and unlock. You wanna have 2 keys to lock and unlock. Once you finish, just turn your switch off, and that's pretty much it. So check this out. I'm gonna hit the lock button for you guys. And unlock. Yep. Now with this key, yeah. So man, it's like pretty much it. It's pretty simple step. I'm gonna show you guys again, just in case issues right now. I just finished put that touchscreen radio in. Oh wow. But anyways, so I'm gonna do this again. Key in the ignition, and you can pretty much watch it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, heard that. Okay, look, do this one first. Grab your next one. Once you do that, and as you can see, and the reason why I press lock and it retracts is because it's in relearn mode. So turn it off, and it should do that. And bruh, that's pretty much it. Simple, guys, bruh. Like, as it's like a big tip, it helped me out. I had to watch a video on that, and for some reason there's not too many videos like that. So I was like, man, let me put this out there. Anyway, guys, hope you like it. Like and subscribe. I got more videos coming for you guys. I'm about to get in this new, it's not new, but it's new to me. 2004 40th anniversary GT, bruh. So hopefully next time you see me, either I'm gonna be driving it, homeboys be driving. Either way, that's the review. Gotta go. Peace out. Alright, but I thought that was the end of the video, but it's actually not the end of the video. Got my girl on FaceTime right there, and yeah, but anyways, it's not the end of the video. I wanted to say this. You can use, I don't know how many, but you can also use that method like on other Fords. It's not just the Mustang to reprogram the keys. Something else I wanted to say, I just don't remember. Yeah, I now remember. Peace out. Okay, so I lied. Not peace out. I had to say that I have another video for you guys. Ooh, what is he on? I got another video for you guys coming up. It's gonna be on the 2004 40th anniversary GT, and my buddy's going to get it, and hopefully, you know, I get a little review done on that, because I mean, I ain't never been inside. I'm pretty sure there's not much of a difference, but it's, you know, differences. So anyways, peace out guys, that's it. Project Red, you feel me? Like, subscribe, put the comments, whatever you guys want me to do, let me know. Hit me up and put that button up with that like. Wow.